Hello, I am Jasmine from Bihesa. Welcome to our overviews of Microsoft Dynamics 365. Microsoft Dynamics 365 is a comprehensive suite of intelligent cloud-based business applications that work together to help organizations transform their operation and drive growth. In this video, let's go through each product lines of Microsoft Dynamics 365. And there are 9 products which include Dynamics 365 Finance, Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management, Dynamics 365 Business Central, Dynamics 365 Human Resource, Dynamics 365 Sales, Dynamics 365 Customer Service, Dynamics 365 Field Service, Dynamics 365 Marketing, and Dynamics 365 Project Service Automation. In the first product I want to mention in this video is Dynamics 365 Finance. It is a cloud-based financial management solution that provides real-time financial visibility, automation of a critical accounting process, and advanced financial analytics. Is applied in various industries such as retail, manufacturing, professional service, and construction. Meanwhile, Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management is an intelligent supply chain management solution that helps organizations plan, execute, and manage inventory, warehouse, manufacturing, service, and logistics. But do you know Dynamics 365 Finance and Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management were separated from Dynamics 365 F&O in 2018 to focus on service different purposes. Next, we will go to Dynamics 365 Business Central, previously known as Dynamics Navision. Dynamics 365 Business Central is an all-in-one business management solution. It offers finance, supply chain, inventory, sales, and customer service to streamline its business processes. The last ERP Microsoft Dynamics 365 product is Dynamics 365 Human Resources. It is a cloud-based HR management solution to provide core HR capabilities such as hiring, onboarding, benefits, compensations, and performance management. The next product I want to talk today is Dynamics 365 Sales. It's a customer relationship management solution. It includes lead and opportunity management, customer and account management, sales forecasting and performance reporting, and more. Let's take a look at Dynamics 365 Customer Service. Dynamics 365 Customer Service is a cloud-based customer service management solution for any business that needs a customer support function. It helps businesses deliver personalized, responsive, and proactive customer service experiences. Another product is Dynamics 365 Field Service. It is a cloud-based field service management solution that helps businesses deliver efficiency on-site service experiences. It provides real-time insights into your field service operation and help you manage and inspect resources, schedule appointments, and check inventory. Regarding to Dynamics 365 Marketing, this is a cloud-based marketing automation solution that helps businesses generate leads, nurture them through personalized customer journeys, and measure marketing ROI. Businesses can create and execute effective marketing campaigns, delivering personalized customer experiences across multiple channels. And the last product is Dynamics 365 Project Service Automation. This software is both CRM and ERP solution helps organizations manage their project, from project planning to resource allocation and project execution. In conclusion, Microsoft Dynamics 365 is set up business solution that help organizations transform their operation and drive growth. Whether you are looking to improve your sales processes, provide better customer service, execute more effective marketing campaigns, manage your finance and operation, or manage your human resources, Dynamics 365 has a solution for you. In addition, Dynamics 365 product in the Dynamics 365 suite of products can integrate with other 365 applications to provide a seamless and integrated solution for business. Thank you for watching this video on Microsoft Dynamics 365. Visit our website today to learn more about how this product can help your business. Thank you.